Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy New Year. It's 2025. The market's a little pumpy. How's everyone doing today? Let's get right into it. Get my headphones off. Okay. Hello. How's everyone doing? Guys, we got some major bullish price action happening for Bitcoin and the altcoin market. Bitcoin itself is green today, up 1.36%, $94,852 per Bitcoin. Very nice. It did hold its bullish div on the 4-hour time frame, looking very good. Let's do a quick update of our liquidation heat map and see where we're at on this front. Did you guys have a good New Year? I had a good New Year. I slept embarrassingly late. For no reason. I don't drink or anything. I had zero alcohol. I'm not sure what happened. Okay, we got a liquidation point at 95,199. Very clean liquidation heat map. And that's a small one. So let's just make that the normal size. And then down below, I do think that we have two. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. I'll go right here. 93,987. And then below, we got the big boy way down here. 71 million at 92,561. And that is a big boy. All right. Tyler said, I'm here. No, I work night shift. Oh, you didn't have a good New Year? That sucks. Well, I'm sorry about that. Let's see. You're here now, though. Happy New Year. Manifest the good, the positive vibes. Yeah, Bitcoin's trading at 94,832. We got a lot more liquidity below than above, it seems, but I don't know. It's usually a pretty bullish time. Maybe not, though. It does kind of look relatively even matched. Like there's just a lot more concentrated liquidity right here. This looks a little more spread out. Maybe I'm just crazy, though. I could be blindly biased. That's very possible. All right. ETH up 0.75%. Looking good. Holding that lower trend line support. Sol also holding its lower trend line support. Looking equally as good. Total 3 looking great. Up 4.12%. Held this descending trend line support. Broke above this ascending trendline resistance, which was previous support right here and right here. So a lot of confluence with the idea of a fake out to the downside. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Others dominance also looking very good. Looks like it wants to break back above this trendline support, the previous trendline support. Maybe we have the same setup here. Yeah, exactly the same setup. So you got descending support and ascending now resistance, support turned resistance. So we'll see how easily it breaks above that. Cardano is up 8.62% today. Broke above its descending triangle. And broke above it with conviction. Very nice. Looking for a sustained zone in the 90s. I mentioned this last night that I want to see Cardano break above this and get into the 90s and stay there. And it looks like that's what's happening. Snek. 2025 is the year of the snake, guys. It does not start until, I believe, January 29th, according to the Chinese calendar. But we've officially entered 2025, in America at least. So, if you guys are looking for a narrative-driven meme coin pump, January 29th, 2025, the year of the snake, probably going to be it. XRP is up 11.3%. XRP had this descending broadening wedge, and it broke above it. and it's looking good, looking real good for XRP. Held the $2 psychological support level and continuing to pump. HBAR up 8.65%. We didn't have a lot of patterns drawn on an HBAR, but I mean, this thing's just been super duper pumpy. So no patterns needed, honestly. Like I could fudge something up, but honestly, it's been just chilling sideways. It got up here violently, and then it just decided to chop, which is great. It's good distribution. Let me check the chat really quick. Tyler said, thanks, LOL. I'm enjoying the green market, except Pinlink. We'll take a look at Pinlink in a minute here. He said, go draw some lines on Pinlink. Yeah, we'll take a look once we go through the charts. Jake said, yo, today's the first day I've had any of YM crypto bags. Any of my crypto bags in the green since December 17th. Nice. Cody said, what's up, friends? What's going on, Cody? Happy New Year. Happy Wednesday. Thanks for joining us. Smash the like button, guys. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. I appreciate you guys for being here. You guys are all legends. Yeah, HBAR is up 8.6%. Very nice. Polkadot up 6.8%. Making a comeback, hopefully. Polkadot had kind of a downtrend-ish. It just was sloppy. Sloppy bottom is what I'll call it. Sloppy bottom on Polkadot. SUI. I'm looking for a violent W out of SUI because I think I can do it. Currently up 3.83%, trading at $4.28. Very nice. SUI broke into all-time highs, blue sky breakout, and has not gone down since. So this looks like a bear trap to me. If it continues to the upside, I would love to see it just liquidate some people. Some bears, specifically. I don't like to see people losing money, but bears kind of deserve it because they're betting that everyone's going to lose money. C is trading at 42 cents, up 6.4%. Very nice. There's not much to see with this one. It's been very, very sloppy since the beginning of the year. Like, it's great for trades, but I would not hold this for long-term conviction, personally. CAS is up 4%. I really want to see CAS do something. We've been talking about this looking the same as it has in the past. We got this long-term purple upward, like, ascending trend line. CAS had a really good run during the bear market, and the bull market has been kind of mediocre, but I would love to see it just explode out of this little distribution range and liquidate some bears. Avalanche kind of looks similar to CAS, but Avalanche has been performing very well this bull market. I suspect that the gaming system setup on it is partially to blame, with off the grid gaining AAA popularity and being built on a Avalanche sidechain. That's a pretty big deal. But Avalanche currently trading at $37.56, looking good. Chainlink up 8.1%, 810, representing Detroit. Currently trading at $21.61. Had a descending broadening wedge, hopefully breaking bullish out of it. That's what it looks like it's happening. It got a little funky right here, though. But, I mean, it broke out, retested, and maybe it's going up. Maybe that's what happened. Doge, super sideways on Doge. Crazy sideways on Doge. 32 cents, looking good. Establishing some volume in these areas that it didn't have volume previously. So hopefully they get a sustained uptrend rather than what happened last bull market. Lunk up 4.12%. Nothing much to say here. Very choppy sideways. I want to see it go up instead of down like it's been doing. Polygon Matic Pole up 5.59%. This might be the most hated pump, most hated rally of the year, because Polygon Matic Pole has been performing horribly so far. But this giant triangle says something's up. Near up 7.49%. Very nice. Near had a little fake out to the downside. I'm hoping. I would love to see it get back above these areas. Right now it is at some resistance, so we'll see what happens. Chili's up 4.5%. Actually, up 5% now. Sideways distribution situation. They broke above this descending resistance trend line. Market strategy down 4.4%. I suspect that this is going to do exactly what it did back here. Huge pump, retrace, pump, retrace, pump, retrace, explosion. Huge pump, retrace, pump, retrace, pump, retrace, explosion. DXY, getting a little pumpy. Silver, getting a little dumpy. Actually, silver's not trading at all right now. That's kind of funny. NASDAQ, a little retrace. still. I don't know if these have traded at all. Is the stock market open today? S&P also, same thing. I'm suspecting we're going to get one of these, but just on a larger scale because there's a lot more money in the market this time around. So it's probably the same percentage, just more money. So the move looks a lot bigger. That's just my suspicion based on the ass fractal specifically. Bitcoin dominance at 57.66. Hard rejection off of 58. Once again, very nice. That's what we want to see. The 50 daily moving average has been some resistance for the Bitcoin dominance. So I would love to see that just continue to the downside. Let's see. Cody said, "What's up, friends? What's going on, Cody? Happy New Year to you too. Happy New Year." Off said, "Yo." JY's Adventure said, "Hey, chat." Jake said, "XLM gained back 2 weeks of retracement today." Nice. Cody's laughing at sloppy bottom. Miguel Gonzalez said, "Hey, JJ, here for the daily Monero chart analysis. Buying for real this time." Tyler said, "No, tomorrow morning." Hoff said, "No." Jake said, "Stock market closed today." Okay, that's what it's definitely seemed like the stock market was closed today. Let's take a look at Monero, and then we'll go take a look at Pinlink. Monero. I love Robert Monero in Meet the Parents. Monero looks great. Long-term distribution. Broke out. Just chilling, man. It looks like you got that retrace. Ask for permission on the upper trendline resistance. I guess can you call it a trendline if it's flat? On that upper resistance line of 180. Held that for support. Looked like he had a little fake out back into the distribution area twice actually. But it's looking good, personally. I actually don't mind this, especially with the market turning bullish for the new year. I think Monero looks great. The only thing I would not be buying right now is if it was purchasable, is Bitcoin dominance. Let's go take a look at Pinlink really quick. January 10th, Mr. Tyler has 10 days. He has 10 days until he needs a 5x out of Pinlink. Otherwise, he's going to have to tell me what merch he wants to buy, and I'll go make it for him. But Pinlink is holding at $2. Very heavily psychological resistance area. People like round numbers. People like even numbers. And $2 is round and even. Let's put that up there. Bam. Okay. So as long as Pinlink holds this, I think she's in good shape, personally. That bullish div setup, I personally would say it's still in play. I really do. Potential W setup right now as well. Jury's out. We'll have to see how that plays out. I don't know if it's going to get that $10 within the next 10 days, but who knows, man. It went from, how long did this take? November, let's go right here. From 1.5. We're on the 4 hour. Can this stuff get out of my way? Let's go to 10 days. 10 days right here. So in 10 days, it went up 706%. So if we did 706% from here over the course of 10 days, would it get us to $10? Yes, it would. Okay, so it's done it before. Oh, geez, I don't know what I just did. So, yeah. I mean, this time it would take a lot more liquidity, but anything can happen, man. It's only $181.5 million market cap. I'm sure stuff is pumped harder than that before, especially meme coins. And because this is available on Dex Screener, people would call it a meme coin. Let me take a look at the chat again really quick. Digi said, "Happy New Year's, everyone." Happy New Year's, Digi. Tyler said, "JJ, that massive consolidation at the launch pad for $10. I like it. I'll take it. You're going to be off by a day again." All right. Let's see. What time is it right now? 4. So it's 5, 6, 7. We got 2 hours. Okay. All right. I'm setting up a stream goal. Let's see. Hold on. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. Whoops. All right. All right, Tyler said, JJ, look at the pin link. Good news. I actually meant to do that. They partnered with AOs or something like that, didn't they? Or they're going to tokenize AOs, AIOZ. Yeah. Here we go. Pinlink news. AO's network nodes will be tokenized and fractionalized on Pinlink. We are delighted to announce the interaction of AO's network nodes into the Pinlink RWA tokenized DPIN marketplace. AO's network is a decentralized infrastructure platform specializing in AI computation, storage, and streaming services. This integration will enable the tokenization, fractionalization, and trading of revenue streams from AO's network nodes on Pinlink's upcoming RWA tokenized DPIN marketplace. AO's network leverages a global network of over 180,000 edge nodes to provide decentralized content delivery and AI computation services. I hate that word, computation. With this integration, operators within the AO's ecosystem can tokenize their services nodes. Jesus Christ. On Pinlink, offering fractional shares of their income streams. We are also incorporating AO's nodes into our protocol-owned assets to facilitate testing on our closed testnets. With the VO Alpha testnet for our RWA tokenized DPIN marketplace, a lot of buzzwords in this one, going live in January, this is another exciting expansion to the range of fractionalized DPIN assets available for users to trade. Expect a continued ramp up in integrations as we gear up for the VO Alpha launch and deliver our vision for making Pinlink the one-stop shop for DPIN. Check out testnet transactions for Arweave integration below. Mint list, dedicated address for whatever rewards and AOs. Okay. That was a friggin' mess. Wow. Very cool though. Very exciting. You love to see it. Guys, Bitcoin's awfully pumpy today. Very nice. I don't know. I don't know what to say. We're looking good. We're looking good for some upside, in my opinion. But he said, yo. Tyler said, did you see where they said 2025 is Pinlink's year? I did see that, yeah. I mean, that's not bullish news. That's just them speculating. He said that 2024 was just the warm-up. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. It is. Let's go check up on our okay, So's looking good. Eating up some dips. Very nice. Dude, Fartius Maximus, get out. Bio Protocol. Is that like a ripoff of Pinlink? Is this a scam? Yes, it is. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The next scam of the day that we're going to watch Rug live on air. Jake said, do you think stocks will have a positive open to 2025? Stocks are a little bit different because I haven't really looked at them. But yes. Yes, I do. When do they open? When does the stock market open? Curious, very curious. If you look, this fractal that I have here, this is actually what spawned the Fractal Farquaad name. Because this fractal is from like years ago. And I just grabbed it and I was like, this looks like what's happening. And it's pretty much played out to a T. And this right here, this like Wonder Woman symbol, is exactly what's happening right here. I bet you we get a big, violent gap up when the stock market opens. Don't quote me on that. Let's actually go look. After hours stock quotes. Where do I go to look at this? Okay, here we go. Dow, S&P. So it looks like it's down right now. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. EST, because I'm on the East Coast. Yeah, I'm just kind of expecting a gap up. Even if it is red right now. Tyler said, yes, LOL. He said, you go to your chat. You saying that in the chat isn't going to help me if I'm not in the chat. I need to have like a call-in feature where people can call in. I think that'd be fun. Let me set up a poll. I think that'd be cool. Some people could, instead of talking in the chat, they could just call in and be like, hey, go check this out. All right, let's see. Yep, guys, Bitcoin looks great. The altcoin market looks great. Specifically, Total 3 is what's got me excited. We're getting ready to break back up into our $1 trillion like zone. And then from there, as soon as we break 1.13 trillion, it's game on. It's alt season. This, in my opinion, is the alt season doors, if you will. So once we break above that, I think it's game on. It's been pretty lax, pretty chill. Let's actually, you know what I didn't do today? I did not pull up, what's it called? Stupid Cointelegraph. Which, by the way, guys, I don't pick Cointelegraph because I like them. I don't like them. But there's like independent writers that publish on Cointelegraph, and this is where retail gets their crypto news. Look, Ether could struggle to deliver meaningful rallies in 2025. Which probably means it's going to go absolutely insane. Improving Bitcoin price metrics. 2025 will be crypto's best year ever. See, there's another one saying the opposite. ADA net deposits hit $33.4 billion. Wow. U.S. crypto execs express hope for regulatory clarity in 2025. Let's check out this ADA one for Hoffs. This one's kind of funny. This one's going to be a good one, I bet. NFT comeback pushes 2024 volume to 8.8 billion. 8.8 billion? Jeez. Maybe we should make an NFT collection. Okay, some of this stuff is pretty old. All right, I think that's fair. That's a fair setup. Let's go check the chat again really quick. Tyler said, if I could change just one JJ trait, it would be that you ask questions, that you ask a question and don't look at the chat. Then 20 minutes later, like, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, LMAO. That's the delay, man. There's a stream delay. I can't help that. You want me to be like, hey, man, how was your guys' New Year? Five minutes later. Oh, it was good. That's cool. All right, let's talk about some charts. That would be goofy as fuck. Tyler said stables hit all-time high yesterday of 205 billion. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, guys, the market looks juicy today. It looks beautiful. Let's see, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of January. We got, how many days do we got? We got 31 days. Let's see what that math is. If we got 32, Jesus, that's actually a lot. If we got 32 to 33 subscribers a day, we would hit our goal. I think we can do it. Hoff said there's a hell of a college football game going on right now. What are you doing streaming? It's Wednesday, Hoffs. You guys get Sundays. Get out of here. Go to your football game. All right, let's read this article. Ether could struggle to deliver meaningful rallies in 2025, 10x research. 10x research says Ethereum might not be a smart bet for for a much anticipated 2025 bull run, though other analysts say the jury's still out. Marcus Thalen, 10x research head of research, said Ethereum might not be the wisest investment choice for a 2025 bull run, as the asset may deliver underwhelming returns compared with Bitcoin. Really? Other analysts said they are waiting for more confirmation from the price charts to see which way it will go. While the possibility of a new catalyst cannot be ruled out, we wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum struggles to deliver meaningful rallies next year, Thalen said in a December 30th market report. Ethereum, a poor investment for the medium term, says analysts. While we appreciate Ethereum's volatility, we believe it remains a poor medium term investment and expect ETH to underperform Bitcoin once again in 2025. As a result, our stance on Ethereum remains clear: avoid. Damn, that's actually messed up. All right, let me check the chat again. Tyler said, you could still have your eye on when people are putting up chats, LMAO. I do. Hoff said, oh yeah, he never understands my comments 10 minutes later. Well, what are you guys commenting 10 minutes later for? If I ask something and you guys reply, I'll see it within the next minute or two. I should have said, what are you talking about? That would have been great. All right, 2025 will be crypto's best year ever, Steno Research. Steno predicts Bitcoin will hit $150,000 and Ethereum will hit $8,000, setting the stage for an altcoin season in 2025. Expect 2025 to be the cryptocurrency market's best year ever, with Bitcoin and Ethereum both crushing all-time highs among other potential remarkable positive developments, Steno Research said in a research note. Steno Research predicts that Bitcoin and ETH spot prices will surpass $150,000 and $8,000 respectively. The analysts are also increasingly optimistic about an imminent altcoin season. According to a December research note, the bullish Bitcoin and ETH price projections reflect an unprecedentedly favorable regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies, a supportive macroeconomic climate marked by declining interest rates and improved liquidity, and a historically strong post-Bitcoin halving performance, the report said. Hold on, I think you guys replied to something from 5 minutes ago. Tyler said, it's not, you ADHD out and go off somewhere else. I gotta keep it entertaining, man. I gotta keep it entertaining. That's a fair observation, though. The bullish Bitcoin and ETH price projections reflect a... Okay, I read that already. On top of this, institutional adoption is expected to reach unparalleled levels, further bolstered by significant inflows into U.S.-based Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Steno expects Bitcoin and ETH exchange-traded funds to see net inflows in 2025 of $48 billion and $28.5 billion, respectively. Predicted U.S. Bitcoin Ethereum ETF net flows in 2025. I like that Ethereum is just half of Bitcoin. That's so funny. Altcoin season. Ethereum is poised to perform especially well in 2025, significantly outperforming Bitcoin, Steno said. In 2025, Steno expects the ETH Bitcoin ratio to hit at least 0.06. That is nearly double the current level of around 0.035, according to TradingView. This will usher in broader alternative cryptocurrency or altcoin season in 2025, with Bitcoin dominance dropping from its current levels of nearly 57% to around 45%. Bitcoin dominance measures Bitcoin's percentage of crypto's total market cap. Steno's prediction is partly based on the argument that Donald Trump's U.S. presidential victory is more favorable for altcoins than Bitcoin. Trump's presidency encourages more robust on-chain activity, which benefits altcoins such as Ethereum and Solana significantly. Expect the TVL in decentralized applications to top $300 billion in 2025, far surpassing 2021's highs of approximately $180 billion, according to the report. I think it's going to hit more than that. I think it's probably going to hit $500 billion. Hoff said, do we have to buy JJ a burner phone? I think that I can do it digitally, the call-in feature, and then I'll just have a different number every stream. That way I don't have you guys calling me like while I'm at work and shit. Trump pump. I like that. Others, including asset manager Grayscale, are similarly optimistic in December. Grayscale added several decentralized finance applications, including 2 on Solana, to its list of the top 20 tokens to watch in the first quarter of 2025. Grayscale cited the warming U.S. policy environment as a key factor. Trump has promised to appoint industry-friendly leaders to key regulatory agencies and make the U.S. the world's crypto capital. In the U.S., with Trump victory, I am aggressively bullish on the U.S. becoming a global leader in the space by the end of the year. Raj Brahmbat, that's a cool-ass name, CEO of Web3 settlement company Zebu, told Cointelegraph in December. Hell yeah. Guys, could you imagine if they like made crypto grants like for you to develop protocols and stuff like that? How sick would that be? Tyler said, Hoffs, we get him a shock collar so every time he does it, we zap him. Is there stuff like that? Let me see if there's not the shock collar, obviously, but like I don't even know what you would call. I'd have to. A lot of people like do that where they program their streams so that their chat can interact with like the games that they're playing and stuff like that. I think that'd be hilarious if we did something like that. That would be so funny. Tyler said he would be a great politician. That's actually my dream, is to get into politics. I'm not even joking. I think I would whoop ass at local politics. Hoff said call-in segment would be good. It's like no other streamer uses that as a thing. Right. I mean, there's other streamers, not in crypto, though. Not in crypto at all. There's other streamers that do call-in stuff, though. It's actually freaking hilarious. Fahid said when accumulation. Oh, we've been accumulating, my friend. We've been accumulating. All right, guys. Let's take a look at our charts again really quick. Bitcoin's still chilling at 94,795. Oh, I got to change my timer back. I changed my timer so that I don't forget the daily close. What time is it normally? 6:49. Okay. Sweet. All right, we're good to go. It's game on. All right, let's get back. More articles. We got 3 more articles to go. Let me check the chat again just so I don't get in trouble. Okay. AVE net deposits hit $33.4 billion, surpassing 2021 levels. What? I actually had no idea. That's crazy. The lending platform also introduced AVE v4 in 2024, while its GHO stablecoin expanded to multiple blockchain networks. Nice. Net deposits on the decentralized finance platform AVE hit $33.4 billion, marking a new all-time high for the lending protocol and surpassing a level seen during the 2021 bull market. The protocol also expanded its presence in 2024 by adding BNB Chain, Scroll, ZK Sync, Era, and Ether.fi to its supported list of markets. AVE may also add several new markets in 2025 pending community approval, including Snek, Mantle, Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution Linea, Bitcoin Layer 2 solution Bob, Spider Chain, and Aptos. DeFi experienced a surge in TVL and activity following Donald Trump's U.S. electoral victory on November 5th due to expectations of a friendlier regulatory environment and pro-crypto policies. Decentralized finance experiences renaissance. DeFi tokens rallied up to 30% immediately following the results of the U.S. elections. Investors and industry executives speculate that DeFi projects will be able to explore revenue sharing via fees that accrue to their respective tokens if comprehensive crypto legislation is passed. Charlie Sherry, head of finance and cryptocurrency analyst at Bitcoin Markets, told Cointelegraph that DeFi projects and firms avoided adding value accrual mechanisms due to fear of litigation from the SEC because the SEC sucks. Bye-bye, Gary. The total value locked across DeFi sector surged 150% in 2024, according to data from DeFi Llama. The TVL currently locked in DeFi is approximately $130 billion. Hell yeah. Let's go. Let me check the chat. Tyler said, CNN, Senator JJ, what is your view on the future? JJ starts talking about something else, then asks CNN, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, good. I mean, maybe I'm already practicing. I'm just practicing on you guys. This whole streamer crypto thing is a ruse because I'm going to get into politics. Isn't that what Gary Gensler did? No, I would be the most pro-crypto politician that ever lived. They would hate me. Because I would make them pay me in crypto. All right, next article. We got 14 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for being here. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of January. I think we can do it. We only need, 475 subscribers to get there? So, 3 coins back from the dead in 2024 that may continue to rise in 25. Riding political shifts, regulatory optimism, and growing institutional interests, these 3 coins delivered monumental gains in this past year. Dogecoin, Ripple, and HBAR. Nice. We like HBAR. IRS issues temporary relief on crypto cost basis method changes. New IRS rules could have been disastrous for crypto taxpayers during the bull market, a crypto tax executive said. The United States IRS has issued a temporary relief for a rule that would have defaulted crypto holders on centralized exchanges to a less than ideal accounting method. The initial IRS ruling stated that if investors holding crypto assets with a centralized finance broker don't select the preferred accounting method, like HIFO or Special ID, the broker will default to reporting sales using the FIFO method, otherwise known as first in, first out, is the default method for calculating capital gains tax in the United States. It is calculated by assuming that the oldest cryptocurrency bought is sold first, pushing up a taxpayer's capital gains. You won't have to be locked into FIFO as before. I mean, this just sounds like a total mess of accounting, if I'm being completely real. They were just trying to maximize how much money they can get, which is pretty shady. Very, very IRS government of them, though. All right, guys, we're done with our articles for the night. Let's go take a look at VeChain for Mr. Tyler. Take a look at how good it looks compared to the legacy fractal we got. Look at that beautiful recoupling of the legacy fractal, guys. Don't fade the fractal Farquad. Wow. 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 Did I scoot this? I scooted this, didn't I? Because it was originally like right here, wasn't it? That's awesome. Beautiful bottoming pattern. Held that zone the whole time. If you didn't buy when it hit this purple line, you're kind of crazy. Right now, it looks like it's going to go up only. And if it does go down, I don't think it's going any lower than 4.2. That's beautiful. Look at that. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I can't stop looking at it. Whew. You're looking at a 10x if it hits 40. Wow. Okay, let's go see. Let's go to market cap of and see how much it would take for it to hit 40. Oh, that's awkward. I'm going to go to XLM. Okay. And then I'm going to go to, let's go to Tron. Okay. So is it, maybe it's unrealistic for it to hit 40? Oh. 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 Ooh. Okay. Hold on. There you go. There you go. $32 billion market cap. I mean, I could have just 10x'd. Current market cap. Tyler said, I'm in at 19. Nice, Mr. Tyler. Dude, that's sick. Heck yeah. You kidding me? Are you messing with me? Just kidding. Dude, this is sick. Look at that. The pressure cooker. Did we watch the pressure cooker play out, or did we just chart this and leave it alone? Because I don't remember freaking out about this. This is the pressure cooker, and it popped twice. Wow. That's like full Owen Wilson right there. Beautiful. I never thought I'd be this excited about VeChain. Excellent. Let me take a sip of my chai latte. Very, very exciting. VeChain price action. Look at even this spike right here in the fractal, this little spike down and then the recovery. That matches perfectly with this. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. VeChain seems like a perfect chart to follow the pattern. What is this just from right here? And I stretched it out? That has to have been what happened. That's crazy. This is the pre-pump retrace right here. How far is that? You can pretty much apply this to every single altcoin. 44% retrace before the big boom. Bitcoin did 14. The rest of the market was a lot more harsh because it's not altcoin season yet. Bitcoin dominance. Ooh. You love to see it. Let's go take a look at Ave again for Hoffs because he's not here and it's funny. He's going to come in the chat and be like, I am here. I'm just watching my football game. Crypto Torch said Moonwell. All right, let's go take a look at Moonwell real quick. Dude, VeChain kicked ass. Ooh, 5.93% on Moonwell. They had a nice little dip right there. Let's see. You got some support right here-ish. Psychological at 5. Okay. All right. I mean, if this thing continues up, you could argue that that's a W. So look for that for sure. Double bottom, W, double bottom like accumulation pattern situation. It looks good. The only thing I don't like is how big this candle is, but that's just people taking profits, 8%. I think alts, yeah, that was a sketchy, spicy day. You said you bought that at 0.035? Wow, dude, you're killing it. Are you serious? Hell yeah. Just a casual 50% gain. That's awesome. Congratulations, my guy. Were you here, Crypto Torch? Were you here for VeChain, or do you want me to go back to it? Because we got a legacy fractal on VeChain that's pretty impressive. AOs had these support levels around 74 and 94. We were looking for a potential bullish div setup, but we did not quite get it. What was I going at here? What in the world? That's awkward. So you had a big accumulation zone in between, what, 32 and 74? Very big. Hopefully, if you hold support down here at 74, then it should go. And then maybe we'll get this right here. Let me just scoot this. Boop. Do one of those. And then we'll retrace and check this 120 level for support and continue to the upside. Hoffs wants to take a look at Chainlink. Give me a second, Hoffs. Yeah, we'll go to Chainlink. We'll go to Chainlink. Chainlink on the 4-hour looking good. Broke out of this descending broadening wedge. Asked for permission and got it. And now it's continuing to the upside. Once we break above this 21 something level. What is that? 2167. And potentially retest. Maybe get some resistance off of this level right here. I would look for either this. Not that. Hold on. Either this. Or just this. One of those. If we continue to be incredibly bullish, which right now it's looking like we are. potential resistance at 24.42. Why? I'm not sure, but that's there on the chart for some reason. I'm not sure why that's there. Let's go to the daily and see if we can see it. I mean, we must have just marked that for some other reason. Is there confluence? Yeah, kind of. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's some confluence there. I see it. I see it. Crypto Torch, let me know if you were here for the VeChain chart. Otherwise, I'll pull it back up because I'm pretty proud of that fractal. Yeah, Chainlink looks good on the daily, especially. It looks like a fake out on a Head and Shoulders, honestly. It looks like they set up a sloppy Head and Shoulders trade, and bears were like, "Oh, ho, ho, this is gonna be easy short," and then it went boop. So we'll see if that plays out. That would be sick. What is this? Let's go to Aave, because I'm curious. Ooh, okay. Aave had this sloppy ascending wedge, ascending triangle, and it broke down, actually. But if it breaks back into it, I would actually consider that a fake out to the downside. Because every single time I see a triangle, the first breakout is the fake one. Like, probably at least 90% of the time. All right, Crypto Torch said I missed it. All right, we literally just got done looking at it before you showed up, which is why I asked. So, on VeChain, I've had this fractal on VeChain since before I started streaming. And it has been following it beautifully. So, we had this lower trend line, this purple lower trend line. The fractal was originally right here, but then we saw this spike happening. The recoupling turned into a big spike, and I was like, what if this is actually what's happening? And we followed that. The purple trend line was beautiful zone to buy on. Did not break below that at all. And now this triangle that we moved it to, it has perfectly followed the triangle. And if this is to be believed, number go up. Not financial advice, of course. We're looking for a 40-cent target, which is a 10x, which would mean it would match the current market cap of Cardano. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but that's just to prove to you that it's not impossible. But you would have to personally believe that VeChain could break into the top 10 right now, at this exact moment. All right, somebody's asking for Ondo. Crypto Torch said, I've been holding VeChain since 9, waiting on $1. Okay, I like it. All right, Ondo. I guess, is this the chart that I normally look at? MXC? Probably not. Would it be Coinbase? No. Maybe I've never charted Ondo. Wouldn't that be weird? I guess I haven't. Okay, so Ondo, I mean, you got some clear support right here from a previous spike. And then below that, I would just go here, honestly, from this price action. You got a little bit of some reactions right here, I suppose. It was just resistance right here. Maybe go even lower. Get some support right here. Resistance, support. Yeah, that looks better. So $1.43 is looking good. Let me go back down to the 4-hour. Tyler said, but it wouldn't have to, because top 10 will be worth so much more. Right, but right now it would have to be in the top 10. But yeah, I see what you're saying. So Ondo. You got, it broke above all of these areas, held support, didn't even touch it here, came back down here, held it, broke below, came back above, broke below, resistance. Now I want to see it break above, support, and continue. That is what I want to see out of Ondo. Make it a little less sloppy for you. Basically, you're looking to get above $1.43. $1.44, what have you. Probably $1.45 even. That would probably be the most accurate level. Yeah. So you want to see it get above $1.45. It's like a psychological level at the moment. Once you break above that, retest and continue, you're probably good to go. But at the moment, Ondo seems to be following the rest of the market. Yeah, I think Ondo's gonna do well, because this one was a big one that everyone was talking about, and it seems to have done well for itself actually since November. So actually, when was March? Okay, so this is when Bitcoin was breaking all-time highs. So it's still above that, actually. This is great. Ondo's doing better than everything else, it seems. Ooh, Dave gave a super chat. Spam some bananas. Thank you, Dave. Thank you very much. Tyler said, I think if we see 2 trillion more just in alts, the top 10 to 20 would easily have the top 10's current market caps. Oh, 100%. Crypto Torch said, can you chart Clover Finance? I absolutely can. Tyler said, dang, you have super chats now? Yes, sir. Yes, we do. We just enabled them, like just before the end of the year. You guys killed it. I appreciate you guys. I had to apply and stuff. There was like a process that I had to sit through, but it was worth it. Cheers, guys. Cheers to enabling super chats. Hell yeah. All right. Let's go check out Clover Finance. CLV. Sure, we'll do USDC on Coinbase. Okay. Clover Finance. So right now, I mean, just this line right here, where the price is literally sitting, you can see that you have confluence here. You have support here and here, here and here, and here. And it was resistance here. It was resistance here, and resistance here. And if I could go back further, even more confluence back here. So there's a lot of confluence. Ooh, Tyler said super chats. Congratulations, buddy. Thank you very much, Tyler. Appreciate you. You guys are legends. I can like and heart the super chat. I mean, why wouldn't I like and heart? Is there a super chat that you don't like? They should add the dislike button on super chats just because because they added a like button. That's such a weird thing. Like, imagine getting a super chat, like sending a super chat and someone being like, don't send. How dare you? That's such a weird thing. That's funny. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. But yeah, Clover Finance, a lot of confluence at this current price that it's sitting at. Right now, you're in a big triangle formation. Wedge. Yeah, that honestly, this I would make the argument that this is a giant flag. Hoff said now he has to buy more pin link. Tyler's gonna that's gonna cover 1% of the gas fee. All right. I mean, if I really wanted to force this into a triangle, I mean, this is what I would do. Not a lot of confluence on the bottom, though. You know, this is me really trying to, like, force this. There's only 2 points of confluence on the bottom. On the top, there's a decent amount. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But there's only 2 on the bottom, so it's a little bit sloppy. So regardless, even if this isn't a triangle, you still had some upper trendline resistance that it broke above, retested, and continued. It's still trying to hold. It didn't quite touch it here, though. So the fact that it hasn't touched this makes me a lot more comfortable with this. It's looking good for some continued upside. I'm liking it. I really am. Let's actually see. I want to learn more about Clover Finance. Cross-chain DeFi interoperability. So here's my thing with cross-chain. Everyone and their brother says that they're cross-chain. The first protocol to actually go full cross-chain and implement cross-chain with like the top 20 chains, like honestly, Dex Screener. Dex Screener is truly cross-chain. Let's watch this bio thing. Oh yeah. Guys, I'm sorry. I know I'm getting off. Let's go look at Algo. Let's go and look at Algo. Really quick, guys, don't buy this bio thing. It's the top coin on Dex Screener. It's a scam. If you look at the top holders, everyone's got the same quantity, and it's almost at $1 billion market cap. I've watched this play out a million times. We've watched it play out on stream a couple of times. It's going to one clip to zero. Do not buy this. It is going to go to zero. Let's go take a look at Algo. But before I look at that, I'm going to look at Clover Finance's website. EVM compatible, reinvented fee economics, integrate seal. So I want to look at the TVL and stuff. We'll get back to this. Okay, Algorand had a upper trendline resistance. I don't know when the last time we looked at this was, but it had to have been before or after December 8th. We had support line at 29, probably psychological at 30, 36.92 and 40.80. Very nice. I would love to purchase that GPU. Algorand had a crap ton of triangles and descending wedges that it broke bullish out of to get to where it's currently at. Held up quite well, actually. Let's see how much it lost from this peak. At current prices, only down 35, 36, 40. Okay, so it had a 50% retrace. That's a bull market retrace. Everyone thinks we need, like, more, but 50's kind of crazy, especially considering the market cap of everything at the moment. Algo looks really good. You had this upper trend line resistance. It broke above it, retested, got permission, and is now continuing to the upside. With conviction, it is actually going up. If it breaks above 40.80, I would expect to see this thing start to run, start to make some serious moves, personally. At the moment, it looks fabulous. I would like to see increased volume, because with this increased volume, it decreased, but it sustained some higher volume compared to last time being all petered out down here. It is sustaining some higher volume. This is significantly higher than this. It's probably more than double. So the higher volume, along with the higher price and the higher volatility, you look like you got a double bottom right here as well. It's looking good. Algo looks real good. All right, let's go check. So Clover Finance. Let's actually browse DeFi Llama for a bit and see what everything has as far as total value locked is. If you guys are unfamiliar, total value locked is literally the total value of assets locked on chain, which is for DeFi and lending. It's for liquidity pools. It's for farming, all that stuff. Miguel Gonzalez said, anyone interested in buying some Haktua coin? Let's go take a look at Haktua, see how she's doing. Is this the same Doge? Here's another scam. Guys, this is ridiculous. This is another scam. They did the same one before. We watched Doge before scam people. This is crazy. I can't believe there's so many of these in the top. It's that easy. Like, Dex Screener can't prevent this. I understand it's supposed to be a decentralized market, but this is an actual scam. Where are all the things? No issues on the audit? Says who? It's not mintable and freezable, no, but this guy owns all of the supply, and he's the only one. This is a different one. This is a different Doge. This one's new. It's essentially a honeypot. It's a new coin on Pump Fun that somebody has like 10K, so they threw 10K at it. And then, like, they minted it, threw 10K at it, so then it blew up. Yeah, it's an imitation Doge. And so it blew up, and they got all this linked crap. They make it look as legit as possible, but they just pump it up. See, all of these wallets have the same exact value because they just distributed this with like a bot. Fahid, it's pretty much a honeypot. That's essentially what it is. So they're going to pump it up. They're going to pump it up like crazy. us retail are gonna go, oh my gosh, I gotta buy this at 8.83 billion. If I would have put money down here, I'd have $100,000 right now. And then they buy, which they didn't have a chance to before because this guy, the bots, bought it up like clockwork before it was even like tradable. And then people are going to come in here and throw like probably 20, 30 grand into it. And then this guy's going to one clip it to zero and he made 20, 30 grand just for setting up bots to do this crap. And he does it 1, 2 times, 3 times, probably a couple hundred times a day. And he becomes a millionaire by scamming people out of like a couple grand every single day. Big Alex said, and they're moving 47 million per bot. See, here's the thing: the liquidity is based on, because they own majority of the supply, they can inflate the price without actually spending any money, because they're paying themselves to buy the currency off of themselves. Does that make sense? It's really hard to explain it, but because they own majority of the supply, and they're not moving it or selling it, and they don't have any of it listed for sale, they can literally just set like a limit sell price from, like, if they bought it all right here for no value, they set a limit sell price for 0.06356, then boom, you get like a 8,000% candle, and it looks huge. All right, let's check out Haktua. There we go. Bam. You know what kills me is they couldn't even make the corners of this transparent. It's kind of funny. Oh my gosh. They've made $2 million off of liquidity pool, which is crazy. They're probably going to continue to make money off of this. I feel bad because when Haley Welch came out, it was like, I'm working with lawyers. It went bam, and people probably bought back into it. They were like, oh my gosh, Haktua girl to the rescue. And then the people that bought way up here that have been holding since then were like, F this coin. And they just screwed everybody else. It's crazy. It's crazy. All right. Crypto Torch said they should stop them fools. I agree. We've watched it happen a million times. It's going to happen with Bio and Doge. I'll keep an eye on them. I'll keep the charts up. But it's just ridiculous to me, man. JY's Adventure said, can we look at HUND, please? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Up 20%. Look at that. Would you look at that? Beautiful triangle that the Fractal Farquad drew. I'm a triangle Farquad as well. And it's just obeying. Look at this. Look at this good dog. That's freaking awesome. If this thing breaks bullish out of this, it's a meme coin, so it's going to work a little bit different. But 6.3 million market cap, I could see this thing flying. Let's see. Oh. Guys, look what I found. Look what I found. That's bullish div. Hell yeah. Let's see, can I make this different? So that way we can see it. Well, it's just as hard to see. Hold on. Yeah, purple looks good. Then it's going to disappear in the RSI. Shoot. Orange, let's go orange. Orange for Bitcoin. Heck yeah, you got bullish div. JY's Adventure said 100 million possible? 100 million. Let's actually go see. It's currently at 6.3. 100 million? 6.61. I don't know about 100. I mean, that's quite a far target. Let's talk about 10 million before we talk about 100. Hello? Okay. So this is 6.5 right now. So it needs 1.53 times the price. Let me see really quick. So it would be 0.0252. Is that correct? That would be a $10 million market cap. Is it breaking out right now? Did it just hit that top trend line? Maybe 100 million is possible. That's a lot of that's a lot of volume right there. Liquidity 600K. $250,000 in volume. I don't know. If you break out of this triangle right now and it starts to go crazy, I think this is 10 million. If I did my math right, I'm pretty sure this is a $10 million market cap. So 10x would be 0.252. I think that that's 100 million market cap right there, which on this chart doesn't look that crazy. JY said, thanks for checking it out, JJ. Your charting always on point. Appreciate you, JY. My charting is on point because I am the epitome of retail. All right, let's go take a look at, apparently the Clover has 0 TVL. What's going on over at DeFi Llama? Jeez. Their stuff's all broken. What is this? This site doesn't even work. Hello? Did I go to the wrong DeFi Llama? No. What the heck? What's going on? It's just broken. There we go. It still says 0. What? Am I crazy? What happened? This is why I don't like DeFi Llama. Their stuff's all broken. Right here it says, okay, hang on. No, it says total value locked is 0. Am I missing something? Does Clover Finance not have, is it not DeFi? Am I crazy? Anyways, Algo looks great. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. You guys voted yes for the call-in feature. Okay, I like it. I like it. Well, we'll see if we can set something up. I think that'd be cool. We got exactly 1 hour and 1 minute until the daily close contest, guys. Anyone can participate. Only one will win. Cody said, I'm so bullish on Hex. Are you for real? Why? Because Richard Hart is a wanted. Oh. What about Pulse Chain? Is it just PLS? Can you not buy Pulse Chain anywhere? What's happening? Interesting. Ooh, this must have been when he became a wanted man. 31%. Damn, that's so awful. Rest in peace, Richard Hart coins. I feel bad. I feel bad for people that hold those. They've been getting the shit out of the stick for quite some time now. Zazawick said, hold on, let me pull up the chat. He said, oh, well, you see the GTA meme with Richard Hart and 5 stars wanted? I haven't seen that one. That's funny. Tag me in that on Twitter or something. Tyler said, I don't know if you know, but I'm really bullish on Pinlink. Let's go take a look at Pinlink. What's this Pinlink thing? Oh, it looks like I've looked at this before. The chart looks really nice. The chart looks really nice. It's a little messy. A little messy. A little sloppy. Didn't quite hit my target. Oh, it looks like I bought some already. My bad. I forgot. What are you talking about, Tyler? All right, guys. Bitcoin's currently trading at 94,893 and 96 cents. Very nice. Looking for some violent moon action. XRP's getting pretty pumpy. HBAR's getting pretty pumpy. ADA's getting pretty pumpy. Total 3. I really want to see Total 3 break $1 trillion. I really want to see it. Should we compare more market caps? I feel like that's always a fun thing to do. Let's actually go look and see what coin market cap looks like right now. Oh, wait a minute. Where's JY's Adventure? Hund is literally #1 trending on coin market cap. Is he still here? Tyler said, JJ, when are you buying a real bag of Pinlink? I had a real bag. Cody said, what was the yearly open price? Let's actually go look. For Bitcoin, the yearly open was 93,576. Yeah, JW's Adventure said, yes, sir, I'm still here. Dude, Hund is literally #1 trending on CoinMarketCap. Look at that shit. 18.69%. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's see, did these guys rug yet? Not yet. We're going to watch them rug in real time. The charts always look the same, too. They're not even creative. Look at that. 0.01%. So, because of that, I would say 100 million. It's got a lot more potential now. Please, 100 million Hund will change my life. Dude, that's awesome. Let's get it. 100 million Hund. I'll go buy some. Let's go buy some. Let's go buy some Hund, guys. Give me a second. I got to move some money around. All right, it's going to be a quick one. Luckily, I'm logged into some of my stuff on here. Receive Solana. Copied. Okay. Send crypto. Hang on, I gotta refresh. Otherwise, Coinbase is going to be like, you don't own any Sol. Idiots. They like change their setup now. You have to be all funky about it. Okay, I'm going to confirm right now. Bum-ba-da-dum. See how easy and nice it is for me to buy Sol coins? Bam. My Sol is on its way. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Cody said, I'll ape a little Hund. Let's do it, guys. Let's pump this coin with my... all 19 of us. Dude, I got to set up... So I got this commercial, and I'm gonna film it so that I can play it. Like, if I ever go to the bathroom on stream or something, and it's gonna be me, like, coming around the corner somewhere or something. And I was filming it at the office that I was building in the woods, the little cabin in the woods. And I come around the corner and I go, hi, I'm JJ from JJsCrypticCorner. If you or a loved one has been rugged by a meme coin, please consider subscribing. I've helped tens of individuals recoup their losses by reinvesting into new meme coins and shitters. Subscribe today. And I don't know, the whole thing is hilarious because it's fucking goofy. I'm just coming around the corner in the woods. I gotta film it. I filmed a couple of them, but none of them look as good as they need to. I have high standards when it comes to my stupid jokes. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got to work with. All right. $10? Yeah, I'll bet $10. Let's do it. It's done. Wait a minute. It already hit 10 million market cap back here. Ooh. So this is the retrace. Very nice. I guess let's do a little bit of a deep dive now that we're Hund owners. Let me check the chat again really quick. Giovanni said, let's run it. JWS Ventures said, let's effing go. Tyler said, watch Elon be one of the 19 but not chatting. LOL. Buys 30 billion of Hund. Dude, that would be so sick. What's this? The Hunverse test. Ooh, they're making a game? I mean, this is pretty sick. I would buy a Hund NFT. I'm a sucker for a good NFT. Can they go to dark mode, please? You look like a sociopath when you don't use dark mode. Magic Eden, Hundland? No way. They're launching their NFT. This got announced. Okay, December 30th. Yeah, this is going to be huge, I think. If they're working with Magic Eden, are you kidding me? Hund AI. They're doing all the things, man. They're doing all the things. Let's give them a follow. I'm going to buy some more right now. There we go. It's done. It's done. JWaz Adventure said, hang on, let me go back to the Hund chart, make it topical. Okay, Cody said, started DCA bot on Hund. Huge. 0.01 soul clips. Oh, hell yeah, dude. That's the way to do it. JWaz Adventure said, NFTs released this month will be used in Metaverse game. Hell yeah. Tyler said, JJ, yeah, I'll buy now that I bought. Let's research it. No wonder you buy NFTs. That's the way it goes, man. You gotta 8-bet. Because if I'm researching it and then it goes up 30-40% while I'm researching it, then I'm gonna be upset. If it goes down, then I can at least say, oops, I forgot to research it. That's why, you know, I did my research afterwards. It's my fault. So it's a win-win. But yeah, I don't know. This looks like a winner to me. I'm happy with it. Happy with my purchase. I think it was like right here-ish. I gotta make this a different color. Otherwise, I'm gonna delete it later thinking it's something else. Can I label it too? I thought I could label it. Did they change that? Maybe it's not on there. Did they change that? No, yeah, you can add text right here. You just can't do it. They must not have updated, what is it, the API or whatever for Deck Screener. But yeah, this looks sick. No wonder I buy NFTs. I buy NFTs because of the art, Tyler. Thank you very much. 30 to 40% in 17 seconds. Hello? It doesn't take me 17 seconds to do my research. It takes me a little bit longer than that. And yes, look at this. This is in the last 4 hours. It's gone up 22%. Clearly, you haven't seen Doge or Bio going up 8,000% in 1 hour. They're definitely scams. This is crazy. And I feel bad because there's people buying this. There's people that like are completely unaware. And they're like, oh, shoot, I should put some. And there's smart people maybe like that maybe could take advantage of this and make some money off of it. But it's not worth the risk, in my opinion. It's not worth the risk. All right, let's check the chat one more time. Reswin said, have you ever checked Hedge? It is actually sitting at 21 million market cap after 52 million market cap all-time high with 1.8 million liquidity locked. I'm curious to know what you think about it. Let's go take a look. HEGE. I'm going to assume that it's a Deck Screener coin. If I'm wrong, let me know. This does look like the right one. Okay. I like the retrace. Let's go to the 4 hour. Very nice. Okay. So I'm gonna get a little crazy with my lines, so give me a moment. You got previous high, the first high, the second high, and the third high. So with that, you then got the first low after the high, the first retracement, let's call it the second retracement, and then the current retracement, I guess, doesn't really count. So the second retracement did go just below, I'm not even going to put that line there, or that one. I guess I'm looking for this to hold above 16. The psychological level that I would want to see it hold above would be 2. And change the color. I want to see it hold above 2. It looks like it's holding that very well. And it looks like it's also setting up a W, double bottom. Chart looks good. As long as it sustains above this 2, it looks great. Although last time it retraced, it does look like it had a little fake out accumulation for most of the month of August. August 10th to the 20th, so 10 days, little fake out retrace below the previous high. And then it pumped like crazy after that. And then from here, from September to November, a little downtrend, and then a huge pump following that. I like it. I like the price action. The liquidity looks good. You said there's TVL? Let me go read that chat again. Okay, no, I made that up. My bad. You said 21 million market cap. Yep. Okay, Tyler wants Ring AI and LimeWire. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Let me apply some chapstick. It's a little dry here at the JJ household. Guys, this time next week, actually not even this time next week, Sunday, I believe, if I stream on Sunday, I'm going to be in a completely different household. Probably horrible lighting and everything, and it's going to be like that for a week. I'm going down to Georgia. It's going to be awful. Reswin said they're just waiting for a stable market. I do like the chart. I really do. It had a pretty bullish, like, blow off top, I would call it, maybe. But it was just a local top. 800%. Very nice. A lot of people took profit. I don't blame them. 58% retrace. That's great for a meme coin, especially if it doesn't go any lower. My biggest thing is always, how good does the website look, and how often are they active on Twitter, and is the Twitter activity worth investing in? They've partnered with PAL, MXC, LBank, AscendX, Toolbit, SuperX, IndoX, Victus Capital. Interesting. In a desperate attempt to sweep Hedgine off her feet, Hedgie has asked me to create this token. Hedgine will only accept Hedgie if he can be a successful meme coin. Let's make Hedgie the meme of her dreams. Hendrix. Okay, this is cool. There's frickin' animations. Oh gosh. This is awesome. This is so cool. I'm not going to watch it, the whole thing, and listen to it, but this is badass. I love this. This is unique. Cheat you later? What's that? They have NFTs too? Stop. Hedgins? The NFTs look awesome. This is very similar to my art style. That's really cool. What's the Jichi later? Hedge coins. See how much you lost by cheating? Oh no! Is that just for hedge, or is that for everything? Because I hate that. I don't want to look at that at all. I don't cheat, but I have sold a couple of my bags. All right, Twitter. You can now find Hedgie on crypto.com on-chain wallet. Okay. Really? That's awesome. So they're doing quite a bit. I love this. Wow. That's really cool. Huh. I like it. I really do. Okay, Reswin said, don't worry, the GG later is just for hedgy. Okay, good. Yeah, I like that project. I really do. It looks great. I like that they're doing like charitable things for schools and stuff like that. I think that's really cool. I'll definitely keep my eye on this. I'm gonna add it to the watch list. 21.1 million market cap. I feel like it's got potential, which is rare. Tyler. I've made quite a bit of money off of NFTs, my friend. I'm in profit on, like net profit. I'm in net profit off of crypto now too, but NFTs I've been in net profit since I got into crypto. And that's considering the fact that I've minted an entire collection and donated all of the money afterwards to the project. So, take that. I've missed a ton of money on NFTs though. There have been so many NFTs where I'm like, oh, should I buy? And I've had my mouse hovering over buy. I've had my mouse hovering over the buy button, and then I'm like, no, I'm not gonna make any money off of this. And it was only like $50. And then like a week later, I see that the floor price is like 15 grand, and I'm like, oh no. So that's been a shit show. Reswin said, no way you can have a loss on Hedgie's NFTs. They pay you every month for holding them. Really? That's awesome. JY's Adventure said, I minted rootlets on SUI and they did a 10x. Hell yeah. Tyler said, just a screenshot away from existence. They're minted on chain. They're forever. My Snekky's NFT has made me back 10% of what I paid for it already within a month, I think. Within 1 to 2 months. JY's Adventure said, don't worry, Tyler. The longer you in the space, the more DJ'd you will become. Exactly. We'll get Tyler an NFT, even if we just have to send it to his wallet. All right, let's see. XRP is still pumping like crazy, up 12.2%. HBAR is up 10%. We got 41 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off. And Bitcoin is chilling at 94,901. Hedgie looks good. Hund is making moves. Very nice. They really are. What has happened here? It seems like they've taken all of their money and actually reinvested it into the project. That's all I see here is like genuine good business. I'm very impressed. We're going to keep an eye on all these coins. I'm going to need more more room on my tabs pretty soon. Let's take a look at SO. Eating up every single dip. Very nice. That's what we like to see. Pinlink also looking good. Tyler said, I've been here since 2020. JJ, they make you money because people will buy a banana on a wall for millions of dollars, and that's why. Exactly, so why knock it? I believe that. So the banana duct tape to the wall has happened more than once, has it not? And didn't Justin Sun buy one of those? JWez Avenger said the founder is Murrow, a well-respected trader in the space with the tweets that aren't in dark mode. Oh. Well-respected sociopath, maybe. Not in dark mode. What a crazy guy. I'm going to go sell all mine now. I'm just kidding. He's spent 200K on Hun so far. Dude, that's awesome. He shares his trade setups, which is why I invested, because he's doxxed. That's pretty sick. Well, you guys know me, so you guys should go buy Snek. I am a Snek maxi. Through and through. It is the year of the snake, and technically Chinese New Year. Let's actually go look that up. I can't spell. Yeah, January 29th is the Chinese New Year, which will then mark the year of the snake. Hell yeah. Whew. So yeah, I'm expecting, honestly, genuinely, I'm expecting some tier 1 exchange listing announcements on January 29th. That's purely speculation, 100% speculation. I could be completely wrong. That's just what I'm fully expecting to happen. We got 23 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me here today. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of January. You guys are killing it. We did hit our 500 sub goal before the end of the year, which was awesome. That happened during the 12-hour live stream because you guys are absolute legends. We're currently monitoring 2 known rugs. JWez Avenger said, Snek is good coin. I agree. Snek is good coin. Yes, yes. Hund is getting pumpy. Hedge looks good on the chart. Let's go to the watch list. You know what? I can actually add Snek here. Why would this one come up? What an embarrassment. All right, absolute beauty. I guess I don't understand this right here. Is that the age of the liquidity pool? Maybe I should add this one. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that looks more accurate, and it's older. Right? Am I crazy? I don't know. It's like the age of the liquidity pool. It's kind of confusing. This realist worlds. I don't remember why I added this. Somebody mentioned it. Yeah, and we marked the price, and it looked like a crazy project. Currently $23.2 million market cap. AI's desert. Yeah, that's what it is. It's literally an AI thing where the AIs can like live in this Minecraft world. This is crazy. This project might be insane. Maybe we should buy some of this too. Did I spend all my money on Honda already? Dude, what is happening? I'm up $4 on Honda already? I didn't even put that much money in. It's like a 20% increase. Okay, I do have some Sol. I don't know. I definitely want to keep an eye on this realist thing because it looks like it's going to be a big boy. Honda's creeping up, the top earners. Monkey on Watermelon somehow making a little comeback. I can't believe I was completely right about this chart. This one blows my freaking mind. Are you kidding me? Like, look at that. How many times can I be right about these freaking things? It's like starting to hurt my brain. Freaking Popo. I'm so disappointed in Popo. It's so weird to me. Like, some of these have this potential, and they start running, and then they just disappear. They die off and completely disappear. And it's not a rug or a scam. It's just like, I don't know, people lose interest or something. It's the craziest thing. Oops. All right. Offset, how many times are we going to hear Year of the Snake? Definitely until we get a tier 1 listing. JOS Avenger said, Mao was my first Solana meme coin win. Was it? Dude, I can't believe I called that so perfectly. That was the weirdest chart. The weirdest pattern. I've never in my life have I seen that play out that way. Ever. But I was like, it looks like this is just going to happen again. And that's exactly what freaking happened. That's so crazy to me. All right. This is probably, these two are going to rug as soon as I get off stream, I swear. 8.8 billion. 6.8. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's the wrong one. 963 million. And it's just ridiculous. We got Fartius Maximus, which is very Cletus Maximus. We got Kekius Maximus and Spartacus and Dogius Maximus. Elonius, that's actually kind of funny. Elonius is pretty great. Egg, do you guys remember the freaking egg on, it was on like Instagram or something. I don't know if anyone knows who it was, but this egg just exploded. Just a picture of an egg, and it like blew up, and people like were reaching out to them with like they wanted to offer money, and then the egg was cracked, and then there was like a little piece missing, and people were like trying to pay them for sponsorship opportunities and stuff. Look at this. This was a freaking rug. This is probably gonna be a rug. This one rugged. This is ridiculous, man. This one actually might not be a rug. We'll have to see. But do you guys remember the egg on, I don't remember what it was on. All right, another Tyler said, check out HBAR. Let's go take a look at HBAR. HBAR's looking good. 5% candle, 4% candle. HBAR's looking very nice. Nice accumulation since the peak in December 2nd, December 3rd. Very nice. HBAR's been holding up beautifully. Like, this thing did not go down at all. It's just been in this zone, which is awesome. They got a lot of bullish news on HBAR. Definitely worth checking out. More Money said Ponk token, a fantastic buy price. Looks bullish. Take a look. Yeah. I had this goofy trend line that I kind of gave up on, it seems. And then I had this trend line that it broke below. And now, see, I see a sharp decline, a less sharp decline, and then is the next one going to be flat, or is it going to actually go up? It does look like it's at a good buy level if you believe that this is going to go up. Guys, we got the daily close contest coming up in exactly 30 minutes, so stick around. If you guys want to participate, anyone can participate. Only one person will win. We try to guess the daily close price for Bitcoin on the Binance USDT chart, which we might have to change soon if Tether if Tether gets butted into oblivion. but I think the tether FUD just comes with the bull market. But it's the Bitcoin Binance USDT chart. Just trying to guess in the chat what you think the daily close price is going to be for Bitcoin. And we only take the first 10 entries. And you can only guess 10 minutes prior to the daily close, and we stop taking guesses 5 minutes prior to the daily close. So you get a 5-minute window. JY's Avenger said, my butthole coin pulled back. My butthole is sore. Let's go take a look at butthole. Butthole coin. No. Okay. Yeah, butthole coin is getting a little bit of a pullback, it seems. Let's see. There's not really a pattern to be had. Let's check out the RSI. I mean, RSI seems nicely reset. Ish. Yeah. More money said, so you don't see a big upside for what? For Punk? I'm not sure. It is in an uptrend. Here's the problem. It had this very nice uptrend trend line. And we've seen this happen before. So if it gets back above this, which it very easily could, then I could see some upside. I'm not going to say I see big upside. But Punk is like one of the top meme coins, isn't it? So I'm sure it's going to have no problem. Memes. Punk. What are these? Market cap. Jeez, I really had to change that? Okay, where is Punk? Am I wrong? Oh, Punk is down here. $175 billion market cap. Very nice. Okay. Snek is above Punk? No, that's million. Okay, my bad. I don't know why I'm so bad at numbers, guys. $175 million market cap. Jeez. So, I mean, I feel like Punk could have a good run. What was the all-time high, though? Market cap. $74, so almost double, probably double, right? Oh my gosh, they changed it back to freaking whatever it was. So Punk is currently 175 million. So it would be 350 million. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't see why it can't get back to its previous highs. Potentially. I just don't know when that's going to happen. But yeah, if it gets back above this lower trend line, I think there's potential for some more upside for sure. It is a meme coin, though, so take that all with a grain of salt. Let's see. Janik said, SPX 6900 making new highs. Oh, not quite, but getting close. Let's go take a look. I'm sorry to hear about your butthole, JY. Is this on ETH or is this on Sol? It's got to be the one on ETH, right? Whoa. Dang. This thing's going crazy. What in the world? $894.7 million market cap. Wow. Very impressive. Wormhole lets you buy ETH on Ansel. Buy on ETH Ansel. Okay, okay. I want to see. I mean, this egg thing's funny, but let's go to what's it called? What's it called? Arkham. And let's go look at Murad's wallets. There's an Arkham exchange. That's actually crazy. Okay, Murad. Portfolio. Giga. I want to look at Giga for sure. Lock in. Dude, I freaking had Bongo, I think. Yeah, let's do Giga and lock in. SPX is flying. This thing's quite impressive. Quite impressive chart. And the RSI is fully reset too. Not fully reset, but it looks nice. It looks good. Yeah, great tool, guys, in case you were not aware of it. Arkham Intelligence, intel.arkm.com. Great tool for tracking wallets. So Giga, why do I have this line here? Was I expecting? Okay, so we have the bullish div. I just looked at this apparently. You got bullish div, and you got a nice bounce off of that level. And now you're getting the bullish div is playing out. This is the pressure cooker, guys. Giga is probably actually going to go insane. This might be a huge winner. I don't know how insane it's going to go, but the potential is definitely there. And then lock-in. Lock-in has been underperforming. Like, pretty bad, actually. Hopefully it starts to curl up. It looks like it might want to. I'm seeing a nice little potential curl up on lock-in. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll have to wait and see. Let's pull a fractal. No. Yeah, let's do that. I don't know. Let's do an even bigger one. Majority of the chart. We're getting a little carried away with the fractals, but it's all for fun. Let's see if this guy plays out. I would like to see 261% out of lock-in by March. By mid-March. But as of right now, it's been kind of lame. Giga looks great, though. I'm thoroughly impressed with Giga. Guys, what's going to happen? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. HUN went down a little bit. Doge and Bio still waiting to rug. SOH looking good. Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? Getting a little sleepy. Getting a little sleepy on Bitcoin. It is 6:30 p.m., guys. We got 20 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off. What am I looking for? I was going to say words, and I don't remember what words I was going to say. Oh, yeah. What's going to happen? What's going to happen if Murad decides to sell? Because, I mean, he's not holding those things for life, you know? He's going to sell eventually and disappear like Roaring Kitty did. Because you know that guy sold. You freaking know he sold. You'd be crazy not to. You become a billionaire from stock market investing. There's no way you're not going to sell. Ainsley James said XCN is going to be my big winner for the bull run, I think. Let's go take a look at XCN. Onyx coin. A lot of people like this. I used to do work for a guy that was obsessed with this coin. Like freelance work. And yeah, JY said, it marks the top. Ain't no way Murad round trips. I agree. That's why I think it's silly when people are bearish. Like, this dude has more conviction than anybody. And he's made more money than probably most will in their life. JY said, or maybe he has hidden wallets with similar holdings. I mean, there's no way he doesn't have money. That's got to be a fraction of what he's actually worth. Ainsley said XCN is actually BlackRock, so it's going to go nuts like XRP. How is it BlackRock? Explain that to me. I like this double bottom. I don't like this, I don't like that at all. That's scary. What happened? Did they, like, inflate the crap out of it? It does look like a bottoming formation, but why did it go down so hard? That's a little bit scary. Janik said, I've been holding SPX since before he ever talked about it. Only had a couple hundred in it, but haven't taken it out. Haven't taken out. I cannot read today, guys. Only had a couple hundred in it, but have taken out like 2K since and still have 2K worth. I think I added a couple of words in there, but I got the point across. Hoff said the Roaring Kitty stream with the most disappointing thing of 2024. I thought it was kind of fun. What were you expecting out of it? Tyler said, gotta go to work. If you don't have 10 players, and I can early guess 95,001. All right, let's see if the people will allow it. Okay. Take it easy, Tyler. Appreciate you. Onyx coin. How do I get to their... Yeah, I want to see their Twitter, and I want to see their website. The backbone of decentralized Web3 protocols. I can't see. Ainsley said it's hard to explain to you, but if you, after your stream, go watch Crypto Canvas YouTube channel, he will explain. Zero said, yo, what's going on, Zero? Tyler said, see ya, peeps. Take it easy, Tyler. Yeah, I think they inflated the crap out of their coins since launch. which kind of stinks. Yeah, see. Onyx now was granted $15 billion Onyx to utilize an advancing blockchain and Web3 initiatives to create open finance opportunities via the Onyx protocol. They are locked inside a time-locked smart contract with monthly releases of 200 million XCN per month. That's crazy. That release is going to hold the price down unless people buy it up like crazy, which is possible, but that release monthly as well, that scares me. I don't know if I would buy any just because of that, because that's a lot hitting the open market. Let's see. As a reminder, contract will always remain on Ethereum, as well as staking in governments. Be aware of imposters seeking to scam the community. New Year's Eve. We'll be back in 2025 with updates on Zeely winners, ambassador changes, gas refund confirmations, and more. Cool. Friendly reminder, Onyx Protocol community, that we will never DM you. So it seems like there's a lot of scams going on, which isn't their fault. Celebrates the holidays. Remind everyone that there's still 3 days left in December. XCN reward claims, staking your XCN. Okay. Ambassador slot due to one ambassador voluntarily leaving. Open this new year. To the ambassadors. So it's a voluntary ambassador. Or no, I'm sorry, voluntarily leaving. I mean, do they get paid? I'll be an ambassador. Oh, you can't reply? Public Zeely has also been closely watched with multiple accounts flagged for cheating, being banned from the program. What? What is going on? The XCN wrapped ETH farm, and it's still at 66.3% APR. That high APR makes me sketched out too. Is that what they're printing all those coins for? What? They're blacklisting people, dude? This is crazy to me. It sounds like a lot of drama. What is going on? I mean, it looks like a cool project, but it looks a little too political for me. I've heard a lot about it, and I know a lot of people that are like genuinely obsessed with it. So they got a good community. I just don't know personally if I would get into it. It seems a little frightening. It's like intimidating almost. People are getting blacklisted and stuff. Ainsley said, I've made over 100k coins by staking in the last 3 weeks. It's actually insane right now. There's a 32.99 APR on staking. The more people stake, the lower the APR goes. Okay, interesting. That's awesome. Congratulations. I won't stake because I don't want to take away from your rewards. That is pretty sick when that stuff works out, though. Just be careful, because that's how Mark Cuban got rugged with Iron Finance. All right, let's see. HBAR still going crazy. We got 11 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off. XRP is still going crazy. ADA ETH is getting pumpy. ADA itself taking a little backseat. Ainsley said people were doing schemes on the staking, so they banned people. It's supposed to be decentralized, though. Doesn't that take away from the decentralized nature of it? Like if there's a exploit, they should fix it. They shouldn't ban people for taking advantage of something that's just like able to be taken advantage of. I don't know. That seems weird. Like, could you imagine? That's kind of like what ETH does with slashing. And it makes me uncomfortable. Like, it's almost like theft in a way. All right, we got 7 votes, 16 people watching. We need 2 more votes in order for me to close this poll for Mr. Tyler. 2 more votes on the poll. Let me get Tyler's guess. Take a picture of it. Okay. All right. So, still holding up. Pin link looking good. We're waiting on this bio thing to rug and this Doge thing to rug. Hund getting a little bit of a pullback on Hund. Okay. I really want to see Hund break out. They got a lot of news happening, it seems. And the market cap is pretty dang small. Pretty dang small. Especially for how much they're doing. They're doing quite a bit. Let's go take a look at total threes, up 4.4%. I really want to see total three close where it's at. Like, that would be perfect. Ainsley said, who knows? It might moon or it might rug. That's the fun of it all. That is true. I don't know if it's going to rug. If it rugs, I think it would be a slow rug. Like, I don't think that they're going to do anything more than what they've been doing, which is just that release, which they're transparent about. So it's not like they're trying to be sketchy about it. And it's been around long enough. It's on Coinbase. I don't think it's a scam. I think if it was a scam, we would have found out already. John said, yo, what's going on? John arrived just in time to win the daily close contest. Janik said, the time to be staking was the last 2 years. No way I'm locking up coins. Oh, I'm not locking anything. Locked staking is crazy. I've never done locked staking. I think it's silly. JWaz Avenger said, when do you think bull run ends, JJ? The market felt like the most difficult thing ever. It is pretty crazy. When do I think it ends? Probably sometime this year, honestly. If I had to guess. It all depends on how the Trump administration approaches things, though. I bet 2020, 2021 was much easier. I don't know, we had COVID back then, but it was easier because everyone had stimmies. You just, like, that money was throwaway money. You just throw it in the market and it does something and you're like, oh my gosh, this is the easiest money I've ever made. That's because you're risking nothing. You had no money to begin with. You were given money as a gift, let's say. It was your own money. It was tax money. Let's face it. But you weren't going to get that money before and you got it. So it was like house money to start with. But I think 2025 would be the end, the peak of the bull market, essentially. Maybe 2026. If it is 2026, it would be early. But that's just me speculating based on previous bull market. This is the first time ever cryptocurrency has had a pro-crypto administration entering the office of the fucking president of the United States. So it's going to be a lot different than what people think. So my prediction's probably not correct at all. Ainsley said, when XCN staking with it, you can unstake instantly, so there's no lockup. Okay, that's nice. So that's like Cardano-ish. You can acquire your staking bonuses instantly. That's very nice. So it's actually more liquid than ETH staking. That's very nice. Fahid said, like the stream and subscribe if you're new. I agree with him. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I appreciate you guys. We do have 531 subs, which is awesome. We've gotten 8 votes on our poll. I think that concludes the poll. I think that's fair. We got 16 people watching. That's half the people voted, and it's over 50% in favor of yes. I'm going to end it. We are going to allow Mr. Tyler to participate in the daily close contest. The people have spoken. Janik said, I don't know, this cycle doesn't feel any different than the last to me. It doesn't so far, but Bitcoin did break previous all-time highs before the halving, which is the first time that's ever happened, ever. So it is different. It's almost like an accelerated timeline, but is that going to make the whole thing finish earlier, or is it going to just last longer? What's the Ben Cowan thing? It's like extending cycle, diminishing returns, or something like that. It's going to take longer, but you're not going to make as much money. I think this time is going to be not the opposite. I think it's going to be an extended cycle and what would it be called? Accelerating returns? I think we're going to make more money for a longer period of time. I think that's very possible. But again, it all depends on the administration. We could get a black swan. Everything could change. If there's a freaking, I don't even know if EMPs are possible. If the planet gets hit with a bad solar flare, then the internet goes away and Bitcoin's gone. You know what I mean? We're going to have people on bicycles powering the grid in order to mine Bitcoin. That's going to be how the future, like everyone's job is just going to be to sit on a bicycle and generate electricity. All right, let's get Tyler's guess up here, guys. We got 4 minutes until we start taking guesses for the daily close contest. We do have a first guess, which you guys voted to allow to include Mr. Tyler. He's a stream regular. Very generous with the super chats today. His guess was 95,000.01. Guys, another thing, if you're new and you plan on participating in the daily close contest, I will let you know in the chat when it starts. And we only take the first 10 entries, and you're only allowed to enter 10 minutes prior, and we stop taking entries 5 minutes prior. And sometimes YouTube filters out your chat, so maybe don't include the decimal and include the $sign. The $sign helps. But if you just put like 9474288, I'll know you mean $94,742.88. Don't put a decimal. You can put a comma if you want, but I think the decimal, YouTube thinks it's a hyperlink, and it doesn't allow it. So just pay attention. If you don't see me type yours up, then try and resend it. I'll try my best to get everyone in, but if YouTube doesn't include you, then there's nothing I can do. I'm sorry. All right. Hoff said, I see the Tyler scam worked again. John said, I'm going to keep guessing 1 penny over Tyler every time he's allowed to post early. Oh, that's funny. The man's got to work. You guys vote. You gotta campaign against early votes then. Or early submissions. That's too funny, man. That is too funny. We need lobbyists. What if I here's a good one. I got a good one. Oh, there's my alarm. We got less than 1 minute remaining. Hoff said his approval on the poll has been going down each day. It has. We had a lot of people here today. Jeez. All right, I gotta get ready. All right, I'm watching my clock. GY's Adventure said, I vote yes so JJ can make some money to buy more Solana rugs. That is where all of my money goes, straight into Sol rugs. Watching the clock, we got less than 1 minute remaining, and then you guys can start guessing for the daily close contest. 10 can enter, only 1 will win. Closest without going over wins bragging rights. There it is. Go, 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 daily close. Closest without going over wins bragging rights. If you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7, you win either $100 or a special prize, which will more than likely be merch. CT said, JJ, hope you're doing good. I am doing good, CT. I hope you're doing good as well. Thank you for joining us. Smash the like button and share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends or family. The Heat gets the first official entry after Tyler's shoehorned political act. Let's see who's next. Who's next? I gotta get some hold music going or something, man. Oh, there we go. Hoff's 96666.11. That's a. I like that guess. 96. Are you sure? Is that a typo? I don't know why Hoff's guess is crazy. Giovanni Fontes, 94,640 and 57 cents. We got currently 4 guesses. We got room for 6 more. Hoff's changed his to 94. That's what I thought. John enters. John has entered the chat with 94, 542 and 56 cents. Yeah, guys, if you're worried about your entry not being sent by a coin or by YouTube, just send it like John does. John's the one who's mastered the guessing and the winnings. CT said, I am in a Bitcoin 17x long as of now. Stop loss set at the 4-hour lows. I actually think this could turn into a decent trade. If I lose, it'll be a 35% loss, which happens. That's true. That is true. I like a good stop loss. I do. CT said, I think we move up 2103 before going back down. I could see that. All right, we got 2 more minutes. Move up 103K. Up to 103K. Okay. 2 more minutes remaining for the daily close contest. Less than 2 minutes remaining. And we got 5 entries remaining. Before going down. Guys, get your guesses in for the daily close contest. Time is almost up. If you enter after 6:55 p.m. EST, it will not be counted. Those are the rules. We're also reaching our 2-minute mark for our super chat goal. Let's see. Did we get any more subscribers? You guys are killing it with subs, man. We're at 531 subscribers. I think we gained 6 subs this stream. That's awesome. Appreciate you guys. We got less than 1 minute remaining. I'm waiting for 9 or 6:56 when Philly shows up to try to enter. Here we go. Less than 1 minute to go. $6:54 p.m. EST. Any minute now. Any second now. 3, 2, 1.5, 1.25. 1. There we go. 0. Oh, Janix made it in. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. Good job, Janix. Hell yeah. Hoff said, when Cornerville memberships. I was gonna wait until 600 subs to enable memberships, but I can enable them now. Should I do that now? You guys said yes, I should enable super chats for daily close entries. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, let's get these in order. We got Janix, last second entry. Very nice. Good job, Janix. Tyler's 95. Fahid is 94,644. Hoffs is 94,666. That's going to go above Fahid. Guys, I want some cheese right now or something. I don't know why I'm getting a cheese craving. Giovanni, 94,640. 94,542. 94,590. So this goes above John. Very nice. We are officially in order. We got Tyler, 95,000 and a penny. Hoffs, 94,666 and 11 cents. Fahid, 94,644 and 56 cents. Giovanni, 94,640 and 57 cents. Janix, 94,590 even. And John, 94,542 and 56 cents. We got 4 minutes remaining until the daily close on Bitcoin. Zazawix. Sorry, Zazawix, you didn't make it. You didn't make it in time, my friend. Janix said, what's the reason to vote no? Oh, for early guesses. That's fine. For the other one. This current poll is for channel memberships. Giovanni said, hell yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. Fahid said, I think that might be the point, Giovanni. It's a fun time. It is a fun time. Bitcoin's currently trading at 94,654 and 29 cents. We got 3 minutes remaining for the daily close contest, guys. Look at this big red volume candle right here. A lot of sells right there, but the price barely moved down, which means there was a lot of buys as well. Very interesting. Let's actually look at the volume on that. The last one was 3. This one's 49 and 5. What? Somebody sold 49 Bitcoin here? And it got 8 up? Wow, that's crazy. Barely made a scratch. We still got 3 minutes remaining for the daily close contest. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Happy, what is it today? Wednesday? Happy Wednesday. CT said, dang, my guest got deleted, LOL. Yeah, I'm sorry when that happens. I can't do anything about it. YouTube kind of stinks when it comes to that stuff. You know what? We've been talking about this. I limited the entries. I limited the entries to 10 people because we started getting a lot of people for the daily close. And it kind of incentivizes people to guess without waiting to the last second. But when we have too many people and there's too many people trying to guess at the same time, we might actually change it to, well, no, the super chat would defeat the purpose. That would be dumb to have you super chat to guess. I don't like that. I'm just going to keep it free because that's the fun one. I heard a sound and it creeped me out. Is it my chair? Oh, it's my chair. This chair's probably gonna break soon. I need to raise money to get a new chair. Oh shit! All right, we got 1 minute. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute to go. Bitcoin is currently trading at 94,605. Who is gonna be the winner? Currently, it's between Janix and John. Giovanni is over, which means they will not get a chance to win. Dude, this chair is making some noise. What is that? Is that wood? Watch the chair break on stream. How funny would that be? Here we go. Less than 1 minute to go. This is the candle that determines the fate of our winner. 94,594. Ooh, it's very close to Janix. Very close. 591. Nuh-uh. Is Janix going to win the big boy prize? 6:59 p.m. EST. This is it. There it is, the close. Bitcoin closed 94,591 and 79 cents. Let me just double verify that. We're on Binance chart. Bitcoin closed 94,591 and 79 cents, which means Janix is the winner. Closest without going over. Congratulations, Janix. You actually beat John. Wow. That's crazy. Guys, spam the bananas in the chat for Janix, our winner today. Send your unsolicited nudes. Congratulate him. Very cool. Hell yeah. I gotta get like a winner song or something. That's awesome. Congratulations, Janix. You absolutely killed it. Let's go. All right, let me check the chat. Jake said, how's Butthole doing? We'll take a look in a moment. The Heat said, congrats. Janik said, Rabbit Hood doing shares of Bitcoin today for gold members right now. Wow. I've said as long as John didn't win. I think John let somebody else win today. Congratulations, Janix. Very cool. You did it. Absolute legend. Very, very close as well. I got to tell you, if you had guessed like 2 more digits correctly, you'd be getting something. Probably a piece of merch or something like that, because that's crazy. That was a pretty damn close win. And look at that 4-hour candle close. A little bit sketchy. But we'll take it. Somebody asked about Butthole. Let's go take a look at Butthole really quick. Still waiting on Doge and Bio Rug. And let me open up a new tab for Butthole. Jake said XLM going mad cray. Let's go take a look at that as well. Janice said, meh, I can get closer. I like that. I like the spirit. Butthole, green candle, opening at 4.16%. Butthole looks like a potential reversal. Current trend establishment. Actually, yeah. I kind of like it. A little fake out to the downside right here. Holding up right now. Looks good. I was going to go look at XLM. Somebody said XLM's going crazy right now. Ooh, what? XLM is going crazy. A little breakout, fake out, breakout, retest, continuation to the upside, 42 cents. XLM. Wow. What is that? 11%, 6%, 4%, 2%. XLM is going crazy. So if you would have bought that bottom, 32%. Wow, that's awesome. Guys, this is the beginning of alt season. This is the beginning of alt season right here. Total 3. This is like literally just the beginning. $1 trillion market cap on Total 3 hasn't even been hit. Once it breaks through 1.13 trillion, which is the previous all-time high, then it's game on. It is 1000% game on from that point. Jake said XLM 2-week W pattern. Let's actually go take a look. What the heck? This big bad boy? That looks like an Adam Eve. You said 2-week? Okay, then I'm assuming you're just talking about this. From December 18th. Adam Eve. Yeah, that looks good. That does look good. 2-week W pattern indeed. You also could make the argument for a potential inverse head and shoulders right here. It's chinky, but it is there. And the target would be almost 50 cents. Very nice. Look at HBAR's already up 1.5%. XRP's almost up 1%. ADA's up 1%. Total 3 up 0.25%. What else is getting super duper pumpy? That's it. Where is SUI in all of this? I really want SUI to get a violent break to the upside. Bitcoin dominance continuing to fall. I think I think it's safe to say that that was the top for Bitcoin dominance. Maybe I'm being a little overconfident right now, but that looks to be the case. It looks to be the case indeed. Let's do a quick update on our liquidation heat maps for Bitcoin. See if there's any changes in that. Congratulations, Janix, once again for winning the daily close contest. Very cool. All right. It looks a little bit different, doesn't it? Oh, this is my bad. I'm sorry. I forgot to update it already. Jeez. Okay, it still looks different. Very different. So we got 95,198. Then a big boy at 95,268. Copy paste. And then 95,268. And that's a big boy right there. And then, even right here, 95,758. I bet you they're coming for those. Did you guys ever watch True Detective? I love that show. 94,008 below. You know, I've noticed we haven't been doing the movie or show recommendation of the day. 93,868, which is a little upsetting. And then I think we got one more here. Yep, this big boy. 93,378. So the recommendation today is going to be Season 1 of True Detective. It is an anthology series, which means each season is unrelated to the previous or to the next one. So all you got to do is watch Season 1. You can literally watch it without having to watch anything else. It's amazing. Turd Ferguson OKC said, thoughts on Filecoin. Let me take a look at Filecoin for you really quick. This looks like mirrored liquidation points, so be interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts. Let's take a look at Filecoin. Thoughts on Filecoin. So Filecoin, this to me looks like Wyckoff distribution. Support right there. Like historic resistance-ish right here. Once it gets back above 5.3-ish area, you should be good to go. But I would just call this distribution. Every single altcoin did the same exact move. A little ladder down, and then it's just choppy. So if it can get some break above this level and retest and some upside with some conviction, I could see some good upwards price action. Yeah, see, it's different from the back here because back here there was no volume whatsoever. Now that you got right here, the volume is thoroughly increased, so it's looking good. I like Filecoin. Filecoin was DPIN before DPIN, so. Jake said ETH still sleeping. Hoff said, how about ETH? Let's go take a look at ETH. ETH is still sleeping. Then Hoff said, doesn't ETH have good Januaries? I do believe ETH does have good Januaries. Let's actually just go to the monthly and take a look. Last January actually was just like a indecisive candle. But that was not during bull market. 2023 January was a 32% month for ETH. Very nice. 2022, which was the bear market, beginning of the bear market, it was minus 26%. 2021 was the beginning of the bull market, which was plus 78%. So this is what we're looking at right now for ETH. However, well, no, it's, see, this is what's happening. We had the March Bitcoin all-time highs, and then right now, that has never happened before. Ever. It's never been that violent, at least. See, November, December right here is just up, 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 up. November, December. Right here, November, December. See, I guess there's a little retracement in there. We've just never seen that before. Definitely going to be interesting. I'm kind of expecting some green out of ETH for sure. I feel like it's been suppressed. It is kind of the godfather of altcoins, so I'm expecting some upside. Fahid said ETH been asleep since 2021. Ain't that the truth? Yeah, look at this. Even this thing played out. This goofy thing that I drew played out beautifully right here. You had some pretty crazy pumpage with Bitcoin's rise to 100K. Prior to that, ETH's March Yeah, it's just doing the same thing that it did before. Let's pull a fractal. See if we can get a fractal over here. Whoa, look at that structure. What? That would be crazy if it did that again. I don't think it's going to be that bad. I think that ETH is probably... I'm going to guess right now. It's just got this resistance, this psychological resistance at 4K. But the RSI is reset nicely at 35. See, every time it's gone to 35-ish, though, the RSI has been relatively the same. ETH is a bit harder to predict to me. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm expecting new all-time highs out of ETH just because it's expected. But I am a bit worried because I think Drew was the one who said it during one of the streams. Last bull market, Ethereum did not have to compete with Sol at all. And this time around it does. And we compared ETH BTC and Sol BTC. And Sol BTC is doing the exact same thing that ETH BTC did last bull market. Yes, Sol ETH getting ready to rebound right here. Okay. I have a fractal right here, which is calling for a reversal and some upside. Let's go to Sol BTC. Uh-oh. What is this fractal? Interesting. Very interesting. I don't even know where I got this from. This must be from the ETH chart, from the ETH BTC chart. Maybe right here? I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. It seems like quite a big move. It's in a solid uptrend, though. Yeah, I don't see any world where ETH doesn't do what it's been doing. But again, you always have to consider the possibility that something's going to replace it. Look at that. Sol is outperforming ETH against Bitcoin 1,000%. Is it going to stay that way? I have no clue. But it's looking like that might be the case. I don't know. They both have positives and negatives. It's just what are the people willing to use? I'd be interested in knowing what the DeFi sector on Sol looks like. I guess that's my biggest thing. Because that's like ETH's biggest selling point is DeFi. But I believe their TVL has been going down compared to Sol. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Just be cautiously optimistic, I suppose. All right, you guys voted yes to enable channel memberships. So I'm going to go do that really quick. Can I do that, like, live? I'm not going to enable the channel memberships right now. I'm going to do that later. The Echelon Show said, hey, can you do short-term analysis on Sol? I'm in a long and wondering if I should close. Jake said XRP probably takes out ETH Q1. Echelon said Happy New Year's and thanks in advance. Well, I appreciate you for joining Echelon Show. I will take a look at Sol for you right now. So Sol is in an uptrend since December 20th. Bottom. And it's been holding that trend quite well. I would like to see it get back above. So we have this longer term trend line. And it only has 2 points of confluence back here. 1, 2. But it was relevant right here. And it's even relevant as a resistance at this very moment. So I would like to see Sol get back above that in order for me to continue to be potentially bullish on it. I was looking for a reversal back on December 19th, but that never came. The dump that I was calling for definitely played out, but the reversal did not. So I want to see Sol get back above 200 and hold. Because right now that's going to be a big psychological resistance. And I think it's an important level for Sol to break through. So right now I would just watch that. If it breaks below like 190, then I would stand clear for a minute and watch what it's going to do. But the meme coins seem to be making a potential comeback. So it's all going to depend on retail. I think Sol is definitely 100% retail right now. I think it's been that way for a long time. Chris Klein said, hey, Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, Chris Klein. Fahid said, like the stream and subscribe. Brian Beinwald said, Happy New Year's, everyone. Link looking so good. Let's effing go. Alt season, baby. Hell yeah. Chris Klein said, hoping my Caspa trade will pick up like the X-Twins did today. Like they say, Caspa does its own thing. The Echelon Show said, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate you, the Echelon Show. Thank you for sharing the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of January. I think we can do it. Let's go take a look at, what was I going to take a look at? CAS. CAS has been, so the thing that I see going for CAS right now is that they had this very long-term purple lower trend line support. And it broke below that once back here in November, and it broke below it again here in December, January. I would not be surprised to see it do the same thing that it did back here. This was a violent move up, very fast. Like within the same day, within the same 24-hour period, this thing just skyrocketed. 46%. So I would not be surprised to see that happen again. Everyone's super bearish on it. Even me, I'm watching it and I'm like, man, this thing stinks. But it looks very similar to what it's done already. And it seems to like to trick bears, which I think is kind of hilarious. So I would be looking for that. Look for a break above 13, 14 level. And continued violent breakout to the upside. If that happens. Not financial advice. Just showing you what I see. Echelon Show said subbed and liked the video. Appreciate you, Echelon Show. All right, guys. With that, I'm probably gonna call it. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Happy Wednesday, as always. I gotta go grab some luggage from my mom's so that I can get packed for this trip down to freaking Georgia that I don't want to go to, but I'm getting paid, so it's, I guess I can live with it. I appreciate you guys for joining me. If Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow. Happy Wednesday, Happy New Year, and good night.